Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn to implement a timer in Scratch project. So it's very simple. We'll be creating a clock which will start decreasing from 60 to 0. So it's a very simple thing to do. And for that, I'll be creating a variable. So I'll be clicking on make a variable in variables option, and I'll be naming my variable time. Now you can see my variable is being displayed on the stage area. So I'll go to the events when flag button clicked. So whenever this flag button is clicked, I want my variable value change to sorry, set the value to 60. So whenever I click on this flag button, the value of the timer will be changed to 60. After that, I want to decrease the value and I want to decrease it again and again. So whenever I have to do something and again, I use this forever loop. I can use either repeat loop or forever loop. There are two loops. So right now I'll be using forever loop, and or I think I should use repeat loop because I want this thing to repeat for 60 times. So yeah, repeat is better option. And I want to decrease the value of my time after every 1 second. So I'll be using this wait 1 second option and this change time by -1. So now when I'll be clicking on this thing flag button, you can see the timer has been implemented. It was 60 and after 1 second it is changing, decreasing the value. So I hope that you have understood the concept. If there is any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel.